Good afternoon. Today we will continue to study about the determiner and objective. After we study more about the application of the to-infinitive that has a trait of a noun compared to the application of the modal verb would and the modal verb should, the speaker applies the transitive verb used to describe the condition in the past. The fact that the speaker applies the transitive verb in the form used means that this clause is stated in the past tense and the speaker as the subject does not actualize the definition of the transitive verb use, whose definition is conveyed to the action as a purpose from the definition of the preposition to, indicated by the root infinitive make. So we can understand that the speaker as the subject had a purpose to actualize the action indicated by the root infinitive make. From the perspective to see the to-infinitive to make as an indication, we can understand that the speaker completely used up, making a purpose. In other words, the speaker completely applied the option to make a determination to actualize the action indicated by the root infinitive make in the past. So the speaker does not the option to make a determination for the purpose to actualize the definition of the root infinitive make. So we can understand that this clause is interpreted as a habitual action of the speaker as the subject in the past. We will study about the application of the modal verb would. The modal verb would is applied to think of the possible way that we could choose to actualize experience, condition, or action as an assumption from our choice in the past. Let's suppose that there is a road in the Y shape and we are standing right here at the present. And we can think of a point in the past for choosing which way we will take. The assumption is a consideration about the possibility that we took the other road that is not linked to the point at the present where we are here right now. The speaker can think of the possibility that we chose the other road to actualize on experience or condition or on action that we don't actualize at the present as an assumption. The speaker reveals that the clause that the modal verb would is applied is stated in the past tense with the form of the modal verb would, and the modal verb will is the modal verb that is applied in the clause stated in the future tense. So when we stood up right here, before choosing either way, we thought of the actualization of an experience, a condition, or an action in these two ways as a determination for the actualization. In the future, we already took the right road and we are here at the present. The point in time when the speaker assumed various possibilities, including taking the left road, different from the present, is the point in the past. And the gap between the present and the point in the past, when we started to assume the future experience, condition, or action before choosing either way, is revealed in the form of the modal verb would, should, could, and might, applied in a clause stated in the past tense. Let's study about the difference between the transitive verb used and the phrase of the to-infinitive as the object of the transitive verb used. First definition reveals the habitual experience, condition, or action of the subject in the past. And the modal verb would. The speaker who applies the modal verb reveals the feasibility to actualize the experience, condition, or action as one of the possibilities to become the present. experience, condition, or action. So we can understand the application of the modal verb for the interrogative clause to express our courteous manner. If I ask you, would you drink some water? The intent of the speaker can be interpreted in this way. I may have the readiness to take some actions for you to actualize the action indicated by the transitive verb drink right away. We can understand the application of the modal verb would like this. Even though we took the other road beside our assumption about drinking water. In other words, we do not drink water right now. The speaker may reveal the hospitality for the listeners, able to actualize the action indicated by the transitive verb drink right away. The application of the two expressions, the phrase of the transitive verb used and the to-infinitive as an indication, and the modal verb would may deliver the intent of the speaker about whether the subject is likable to actualize the assumed experience, condition, or action at the present.